Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I just got in and I'm going to show you the groceries that I bought for this week. So it's another little mini healthy grocery haul. I also got some plant-based burgers from Trader Joe's, which I'm so excited about. So I'm going to taste test that and let you know how it is today. So I went to Whole Foods, I went to Trader Joe's, and Costco. Okay, so I have some spinach that I got from Trader Joe's. And I got 2 bags of spinach because I eat a lot of greens. That's one thing that I'm definitely doing more often, is having like 2 servings of greens, 2 meals. I have a green smoothie in the morning, but now, like for lunch or dinner, I'm also going to have a salad with whatever I eat. I also got some kale for my smoothies, some peanut butter banana dog treats for Mr. Bentley. And these are good dog treats. They're grain-free because some dogs can't eat grains. It's made with chickpeas, peanut butter, cane molasses, coconut flour, dehydrated banana, sunflower oil, tapioca starch, has natural flavors in it, and rosemary extract. And I like this because it's very clean ingredients. I don't like him eating a lot of junk. And I got some soap from there as well. I got tofu because I always get tofu to make tofu scramble, or if I want some, teriyaki tofu to go with my roasted vegetables. Got some mushrooms. These are from Trader Joe's. Got some cremini mushrooms. Put that on top of pizzas and stir fries. Got some frozen broccoli florets. And these are organic. I don't always like chopping up vegetables, so it's good to have some frozen vegetables because it's still fresh. There's no added ingredients to it. Green onions. Some shredded carrots to go on my spinach salad. Some frozen raspberries that I need to pop in the freezer real quick. Be right back. Got some pizza sauce. If you haven't tried Trader Joe's pizza sauce, it's really good. And it doesn't cost a lot. Got 2 of them. Normally get 1 and just store the rest in the freezer. That's if I get like 3, because it normally doesn't last that long. I normally go through 2 of them very quickly. And I never tried these before, but they're olives. I'm going to eat them in my salad. Very bright. Can't really see. Yeah. I love potatoes, so I got some potatoes. And I got these potatoes from Sprouts. Those were golden potatoes. I also have a bag of russet potatoes for making like French fries, oven baked French fries, zucchini. Now I'm gonna put that on top of my homemade pizza. Bananas, of course. I eat bananas like every day. Every day I eat bananas because I put them in my green smoothies. And it's a wonderful topping for oatmeal. I also got these from Trader Joe's. I ate them on the way to the car. I ate them as I was coming home in the car. And I got these before, so I've showed this before on my channel. These are the sweet potato crackers. They also have beet crackers, but the sweet potato ones are so much better. And Trader Joe's spicy hummus, which is delicious. Try this hummus if you haven't tried it. I got it today and look, it's like more than halfway through. And I eat that with the crackers. I got this from Whole Foods. It's called lavash bread. And they have white and whole wheat. I got the white one and I'm going to make little pizzas with it. So yeah, I'm just going to chop up some mushrooms and saute some zucchini. Put some vegan cheese on there. I have vegan mozzarella. The pizza sauce I got from Trader Joe's. But yeah, this is also good for wraps. Like if you want to make a chickpea salad, it could be good. And paninis. It shows you the different things you can do in it. It has like platters, panini. You could put like make crackers out of this. And pizza. Whole Foods brand vegan cheese. This is cheddar. They're good. I had them before. And I never tried this before, but it is vegan Caesar. And I wanted to give it a try because it's oil-free. Oil-free and low sodium. And of course, most salad dressings have a lot of fat in them. So I like that this is like 0 fat and 20 milligrams of sodium. So I'll let you know how that is. And I got these protein patties from Trader Joe's, the plant-based burgers. When I first saw them, I'm like, are they selling the Beyond Burgers at Trader Joe's? But no, these are Trader Joe's own plant-based burgers, so I'm excited to try this. I got cauliflower to make roasted cauliflower, and I'm also going to try making mashed cauliflower instead of using potatoes. Got some peppers, red onions, got that from Sprouts, sweet potatoes, more cauliflower. I got some dates from Costco. This is the best place to buy dates, at least where I am, because you get the most bang for your buck. This was like, I think $8.99, and you get all of these dates. But normally, you see dates everywhere, and it's smaller than this, and it'll be like $15. So this is a really good price. Oh, and I also got some grapes from Sprouts as well, because eating more fruits and vegetables, and I just love grapes. Okay, so these are the plant-based patties that I got from Trader Joe's. So it says it has 18 grams of protein per serving. I don't know how this compares to the Beyond Burgers, but it's 290 calories per patty. This is the nutritional information right here. So I know for the Beyond Burgers, you didn't have to put oil in the pan because there was enough fat in the burgers themselves. So this has like 20 grams of fat. So yeah, it's supposed to mimic an actual burger, so that's understandable. So I'm not going to put any oil in the pan, just going to let it sizzle. So the ingredients has hydrated pea protein, water, pea protein, pea fiber, sunflower oil, beets, which gives it the red color, natural flavors, methyl cellulose, oat fiber, fruit juice for the color, onion powder, sea salt, vegetable juice, and that is it. The ingredients, and it says to preheat pan over medium heat and cook patty for 3 to 4 minutes, then flip and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. And the internal temperature should be 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's do that. And these were $4.99. Okay, so these smell like the Beyond Burgers. Yeah. They look like the Beyond Burgers, but they also have that same Beyond Burger scent to them. Looks like raw meat. Just waiting for that to cook. I believe the Beyond Burgers had coconut oil in it. This is sunflower oil. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this a lot. I'm gonna top it with this cheese. This is the bread that I'm using because this is like the only bread that I have besides the lavash bread, but I don't know. I don't want to use that bread. That's for the pizza. So I think I'm going to use 1 slice of bread to make this burger because this bread isn't very soft. I normally eat it for like toast and stuff, avocado toast. And I want you guys to see it better anyway. So I'm just going to go ahead and toast this. Kind of feels like Ezekiel bread, but not as tough. So it definitely doesn't need any oil. As you can see, all the oil is coming off of it. I put the lid on it so the cheese could melt better. And now it is ready. So I put some vegan mayonnaise on it. Oops, missed it. Okay, now onto a bed of lettuce. Here is the burger. Looks and smells just like the Beyond Burger. Moment of truth. Mm. Mm. Good. Give me a napkin. Wow. Honestly, I think it tastes equivalent to the Beyond Burger. I don't think it tastes better or worse. I think it tastes equivalent. And I love the Beyond Burgers. They taste really good. I know some people were complaining about the smell. They said it had like a cat foody smell. And I know what they're talking about. To me, it smelled like canned corned beef hash, which kind of had that smell. But it doesn't taste like that. Like, it tastes really good. And I cannot wait to throw these on the grill because it'll make a perfect barbecue meal. Mmm. It's delicious. It really is. And it's going to be a little pink inside. The Beyond Burgers are like that as well. It's still fully cooked. I cooked it for the amount of time I was supposed to. The texture, it's like meat, spot on. I forgot to season it. I normally season it. I like some salt and pepper. I'll probably put like garlic powder on this. Pepper, maybe some vegan Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, it'll be even better if it's seasoned, but without it being seasoned, it's still really good. It has its own flavor to it. So that burger was really good. It was delicious. Overall, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I like the fact that it was cheaper than the Beyond Burgers. I believe the Beyond Burgers were $5.99 or $6.99, depending on where you are, and these were $4.99 at Trader Joe's, and it's the same amount as you would get with the Beyond Burgers, and it tastes just as good. So I would definitely recommend getting that if you want that meaty, plant-based alternative. You will not disappoint. So that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my mini grocery haul and today's review, and I will see you next time. If you liked today's video, then I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.